Welcome to our training session on how to use the Yealink AX83H Wi-Fi cordless handset. Once unboxed, the Yealink AX83H can be connected seamlessly to Wi-Fi. By following these steps, you will be connected quickly and able to make and receive calls. Available network. Select a Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Then connect. A top tip is before entering the Wi-Fi password, toggle the feature Hide Password off so you can see the password you are entering. To place a call, there is no need to press 9 before your number anymore. Just dial your number and then press the green handset or call button. To confirm you are connected in Wi-Fi, the extension icon here will be green. If the icon is grey, you have lost connectivity. If this happens, move to an area of the building with a Wi-Fi signal or reconnect your Wi-Fi. At the top of the handset, you will be able to see the signal strength in your current location and monitor how much battery life is available. Once you press Menu, there are a couple of key features you might need across the central band of options. These include Directory. Contacts can be added via the phone, centrally through the business, or via the CAT Communications Management Portal. Contact support for your login details. Call History. From here, you can view your latest inbound, outbound, and missed calls and redial them if you so wish. Voicemail. Here you can listen to your voicemail messages or change your voicemail greetings. The default PIN number you need is 9638 until you change it to one of your choosing. When on a call, press the transfer key and dial the number. You can then hang up, which completes the blind transfer. This will end the call for you and continue to ring for the caller. To speak to the receiving party before transferring a call, press the transfer button and then dial the receiving number. The original caller will get automatically placed on hold, and line 2 will open up for you to speak with the receiving party before transferring. Once the receiving party is ready, press the transfer button again to connect the caller and the receiving party directly. If the person is unable to take the call, allow them to hang up and then press resume to reconnect the call. One of the great features of this phone is your ability to connect to a Bluetooth device. This will allow you, for example, to connect to a headset. To do this, click on the basic menu option, then select Bluetooth, scan Bluetooth device and select the device you want to pair with. If you have questions, please email us on support@catcommunications.co.uk.